Hey everyone, it's Kenji. I'm near home and I'm gonna ski down the sidewalk today. So, hello. Actually, I guess it's snowboarding down the sidewalk. We're gonna go a little slow at first, but should pick up. I just moved to Seattle, and apparently, this is like a once-in-a-decade type snowstorm. So when you're skiing down the sidewalk or down the street, you want to make sure that first you got snow. At least I like to make sure there's snow. You can do it however you'd like. I like to make sure there's snow and that there's no cars coming along my expected route. I just walked up and down this route, so I'm pretty sure that I'm going to be safe. All right, the next hill's a little steeper, so we should pick up some more speed. The route I'm taking is a good half mile or so, which is actually maybe a third of a mile. If I went all the way to the top, it would have been half a mile. But all right, here we go. Follow down the sled path. I did not expect to be able to snowboard out my back door when I moved to Seattle, but I'm not complaining. To my left here is beautiful Interlocking Park. I hope I don't wipe out anytime. Hey, snowman. Uh-oh, I think we're gonna get stuck in this deep snow. The snow was nice, fresh powder yesterday, but it's getting a little, it's like 35 degrees now, so it's a little bit, starting to get a little heavy. Got one last steep hill coming up. There we go, come on, let's move it a little faster. I'm gonna have to kick myself across this little flap area. When I'm snowboarding, I like super fresh powder. On my skis, powder's okay, but I tend to prefer fresh powder over a layer of packed powder. Actually, this would have probably been better skiing snow, but it's much easier to hike up a hill in your snowboard boots than in your ski boots. Here we go, down to the entrance of Interlocking Park. The last stretch. There we are. All right, guys, gals, non-binary pals, I'm gonna go home and make some soup. Bye-bye.